I'm Fred Kinney. I'm a professor at California State University, Fullerton. I teach intro, intermediate, and advanced set design, as well as graduate seminar and intro to grad studies. My process a lot of times involves first reading the script and then creating a huge list. And from that list, I generally start to research and figure out what that world looks like. And after I figure that out, I start to storyboard each of the scenes and what is needed. Does someone go through a door? Do we need a second level? And then from that, I usually start to storyboard out drawings, sketches, and then that becomes models, usually quick white models. And then from that color model, which then becomes a full packet, which is the drafting, the model, color elevations. The best advice I ever got as an undergrad was never take a class, take a professor. And what's meant by that is find mentors that you feel that you can gain from and you're going to find interesting. So I would advise in your end of your freshman year, have some professors that you find that you want to take classes from and take those classes. While you're still in school and preparing for graduation, I would try to identify the career where you want to be in like 3 years or 5 years out of school, and then figure out how those people got there. Reach out to them. Say that you're interested in doing what they're doing, whether it's being like a second AD on a film or whether it's a writer for a television show, and reach out while you're still a student in school and let them know you're interested. And then immediately when you get out, those are your contacts. Reach out to them. This fall, there will be a series of lectures sponsored by the California State University Design Forum, available via Zoom, most every Tuesday and Thursday, starting at 6 p.m. Topics range across all areas of design and include directing and choreography, as well as television and film.